guys! So for today, bumili kami kagahapon ng painting face. So ito siya. Actually, marit lang trinay namin. Para new activities kay Poy.
Wait lang.
You put a flower. Make flower. 1. Look, you will have dinosaur. Oh. Show them. Here pa na. Ooh, you got some heart. Ako rin nilagyan ni Mara ng heart. Let me see. Where's the red? I will make some star here. Wait na, wait. Wait. I'm not done.
You want to be cat? Meow.
Oh, diba? You have a... show them you have a star. What's this? Ano shape yan?
Mama.
Star. Ano, di ba ang pusa nga the heart?
Let me see your, Whoa, are you Mao? You will be Mao, you will be Mao. Let me see.
Orange yan, orange.
Orange. Okay, orange. Ako, natin yung red. Okay, red.
Close your eyes. Dito na ka, no? Let's make some time.
Mama, Papa.
Yeah, purple.
Mama.
You want,
see?
You want to do?
Meron na tayong heart.
Mama, a Papa.
A purple. Amma will be... Ay, ano to? What's that? Wala na. Let's make a Mao. Can you be a Mao?
Yeah.
Papa.
What's an egg? Here. Put here. I'll use this blue. Use the blue. Sige, write mo sa Ama. Ay, here pa. And then, may black ka? Black ba
See,
to?
Dylan. Let me see.
Mom! Anong ginagawa din? Guys, 7 pala ng umaga. Baga kasi kami nagigising.
Black eye.
Wow! Dylan. Wow! Wow! Maga kami nagigising. Tapos, si Poy kasi tuwing umaga, nag-ano na siya guys, nag-paint. Ay, paint the draw.
Not here, only
so, may
for
mga
face.
color siya.
That's for face only.
Tapos, ginagamit